Good afternoon, all of you. Today we will discuss another topic from pharmacognosy, that is adulteration, which is known as mixing or substituting the original raw material with other the spurious drug. So here we will discuss about the adulteration, its types. Adulteration is a practice of substituting original crude drug partially or wholly with other similar looking substances, but later is either free from or inferior in chemical and therapeutic properties. Or adulteration is defined as adulteration in simple word is the debasement of an article, or adulteration is broadly defined as admixture of or substitution of original or genuine article drug with inferior, defective, or otherwise useless or harmful substances. What is adulterant? The adulterant must be some material which in both cheap and available in fairly large amount. The adulterant is a material which is administered or replaced by the with the raw material or with the genuine drug. So here the types of the adulteration. Adulteration can be deliberate or accidental, and whereas deliberate adulteration is also known as the intentional adulteration, and accidental adulteration is known as a undeliberate or indeliberate adulteration. Deliberate adulteration are normally commercial, mainly with the intention of enhancement of profits, whereas intentional reasons for adulteration are scarcity of the drug, the high price of the drug in the market. Clove, cinnamon, and cardamom are the example which are commonly adulterated nowadays. It is very common with the contraband drugs, that is opium. The term adulteration or debasement of an article covers a number of conditions which may be deliberate or accidental. So inferiority is a natural substandard condition. Example, where a crop is taken whose uh, natural constituent is below the minimum standard for that particular drug, which can be avoided by more careful selection of the plant material. Spoilage is another term, is a substandard condition produced by microbial or other pest infestation, which makes a product unfit for consumption, which can be avoided by careful attention to the drying and storage conditions. Whereas deterioration is an impairment of the quality or value of an article due to destruction or abstraction of valuable constituents by bad treatment or aging, or to the deliberate extraction of the constituents and the sale of the residue as the original drug. Admixture is the addition of one article to another through accident, ignorance, and carelessness. Example, inclusion of soil on an underground organ, or the co-collection of two similar species. Sophistication is a deliberate addition of spurious or inferior material with intent to defraud. Such materials are carefully produced and may appear at first sight to be genuine. Example, powdered ginger may be diluted with starch with addition of little coloring material to give the correct shade of yellow color. Substitution is the addition of an entirely different article in place of that which is required. Example, supply of cheap cotton seed oil in place of olive oil. Now we will discuss about the different types of adulteration of herbal drugs or the crude drugs. So different methods are available. Number first is substitution with inferior commercial varieties due to morphological resemblance to the authentic drugs. Different inferior commercial varieties are used as adulterant, which may or may not have any chemical or therapeutic potential as that original natural drug. Example, Arabian senna, that is Acacia angustifolia, and dog senna, Acacia ovata, have been used to adulterate senna, Acacia senna. Another example is Japanese ginger, which is adulterated with medicinal ginger, that is Gingiber officinalis. Another method is by artificially manufactured substitutes to provide the general form and appearance of various drugs. Some materials are artificially manufactured and are used as substitute of the original one. Example is artificial invert sugar for honey, paraffin wax after yellow coloration substituted with beeswax. Substitution by exhausted drugs is another method. Here, the some plant material is mixed, which is having no active medicinal components as they have already been extracted out. This practice is common in case of volatile oil containing materials like clove, fennel, etc. Another method is substitution by superficially similar but cheaper natural substances. Usually here the adulterated product has no relation with the genuine article, may or may not have any therapeutic or chemical components desired. Example, leaves of species Elenthus are substituted for belladonna, senna, mint, etc. Means another one is adulteration by addition of worthless heavy materials. A large mass of stone mixed with liquorized root pieces of limestone are found in Asafoetida, and lead shot has occurred in pieces of opium, etc. Addition of synthetic principles, sometimes to fortify inferior natural products. Synthetic principles are added. Example, adding citral to oil of lemon, benzyl benzoate to balsam of Peru, etc. Last one is the uses of vegetative matter from the same plant. This is done by mixing adventitious matters or naturally occurring with the drug in excessive amount or parts of the plant other than that which constitutes the drug. For example, liverworts and epiphytes growing in bark portion are mixed with cascara and cinchona. Stems of buchu are sometimes cut into short lengths and added to the drug. Thank you so much.